Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn how to write root letters. What are root letters? Root letters go down the cross line. This is a cross line and this is a root line. Now the first root letter is G. Starts from the cross line. Make a small round shape in the grass line, small round shape like A in the grass line, go down to the root line like this, and make a small loop and finish with a tail like this, and finish with a tail. This is G, the root letter. The next letter is J. Starts from the grass line like this. This is the grass line, and make a slanting line like this. Go down to the root line, make a small loop, come back up like this, add a dot on the top. This is the dot. Okay. The next letter is P. It also starts from the grass line. Make a slanting line in grass line like this. Go down to the root line. This is the root line. Come back up. Make a small hump on the grass line. Finally, make a small tail like this. This is a root letter. Now, the next letter is Q. This is Q. Starts from the grass line. This is the grass line. And this is the root line. Make a small round shape like A, like this, in a grass line. Go down to the root line, like this. And come back up in grass line. Make a line like this. This is Q. The next and the last letter is Y. Starts from the grass line. Make a shape like U, like this, okay? In the grass line, make a shape like U in a grass line. Make a slanting line and touch the root. And touch the root. This is the root. Make a small loop and come back up. This is the loop. And touch the root letter to root line and make a small loop and make a small tail in the grass line like this. Okay? You have to write the full page. The next page is draw the pictures and color them. This is pencil, G, jug, queen, yellow. Okay, students, I hope you learn the root letters. Inshallah, we will meet next time. Bye.